What is up? It's me, Nubia here, and we are back again with my segment, Cooking with the New. Cooking with the New.
Purple rain turned into the party scene. They try to moralize anything. Saint Laurent is like sketches too. The gym but color not purple too. Probably let that half of my family. When I come around, that's why I be booted.
Okay, so I know I look like somebody you can't really take serious right now. It's only because I'm doing my hair. I'm filming like 2 videos in the process of me doing my hair. So I woke up today. I'm like, dang, Nubia, you just came back from Atlanta. I ate so freaking good, and I gained 4 pounds. So I'm like, keep up the pace. But I also woke up, I'm like, dang, I don't want to cook because I hate cooking. Y'all know I hate cooking. If you know me, you know I hate cooking. I like to cap like I can, but I can't. Anyways, moving forward. So today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to make the breakfast supreme. This is a breakfast that can go for when you're on the go, when you want to sit down, when you need the nutrients, when you don't need the nutrients. It is a meal that worked for me for a whole year. Let's just get started. So, what are we making, you wonder? We are making grits with sausage with bread. Not just any kind of bread. And this is a quick one too. This is like literally a quick one too. So, I'm gonna already get stuff out. Here we go. First thing you're gonna need, cheese. I like vegan cheese. I hate cheese, like regular cheese. I don't like it. I don't like the consistency. Cheese. Butter. I got myself some vegan butter here. Quick one too. What else? I got some, I'll show y'all this later. Let me show y'all. I got some grits. These are Gin Dandy, fine and dandy, might I say. Okay. And then last but not least, I'll be mixing it up. Instead of toast, bread, bagels, you know, I'll be using some Stonefire. It expired the 7th, but I don't believe that. I really do not believe that. So this is Stonefire. This is Stonefire naan, roasted garlic, naan, you know, it tastes so freaking good, bro. With or without, like literally this bit tastes so good. So the objective is to bake it. So I'm gonna bake it 400 right here. The good thing is one of these is 12 grams of protein. So I'm already packing on the punch. Oh, and I forgot one thing. The most important ingredient. Literally, this is the most important ingredient. I forgot it. Da 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 da. No, I'm kidding. So this is Morningstar maple flavored sausage patties. This is the sausage that I'll be using. Maple flavored only. The hot and spicy I never had. I don't want to bother the regular ones. So maple flavored. They said I could put it in the oven. I'm good. Okay, so boom. Because this is quick, this is the quick version, I'm gonna give y'all the quick tea. We're not doing the long stuff. This meal is gonna take you less than 15 minutes, probably less than 10. The only thing that's gonna really give you that oomph, that wait time, is the oven. So grab your utensils. I got myself a bowl, microwavable, real cute. I'm gonna measure out 1/4 cup of grits. A little more than 1/4 because I like to have some food. You know what I mean? It's giving 1/3. Yeah, it's very not 1/4. Looks like 1/3. I don't care though. Oh crap. Pour that bit in here. Once I hit one of these, you gotta shake. I personally prefer shaking up. You're supposed to shake the grits to kind of activate them so that they're really good. Take a cup of water, and I'll talk about do it quickly. Don't do this slow, because if you're doing it slow, you're not gonna get the meal. Pour a cup. Okay, looks a little blah. I forgot to tell you, while you're prepping your grits, you could prep your sausage. I'm gonna do 3 Cause I'm hungry, literally. Oh crap, I don't got my microwave plate. I didn't even know that was not in there, but it is now. Put that bit right there, 130, oh crap. 130, don't play games. 130, don't play games. And while that's going, you add your cheese. I'm using follow your heart because that's how I feel right now. Just like I need to follow my heart. Literally, I'm not kidding. So I add this. So that's in there, and then last but not least, this is like the line of the coconut. You add your butter. This is, I can't believe it's not butter. This is the butter I'm using. All right, just in time, right? Take this, I keep on wanting to say bid. It's not a bid. Take that out, put your stuff in there. If you were cooking with toast, you basically be done by now. 330, no exceptions. This, foil, put it on your pan. Okay. In addition to this being like fast, it's also dish friendly. So you're not using too many dishes, okay? Boom, grab your naan. Or naan. Whatever you call it today. Grab it, take a look. Butter, naan. And at the bottom, so that it's not sticking on here. Whew, so what do I do in the midst of this chaos? I'm gonna tell you. You grab a knife, boom. Cause I just feel like the process is so quick. Grab a knife, grab a sharp knife. Do not grab no ditzy dirty, no ditzy dootsy knife, okay? Grab a knife that'll really, you know what I mean? So boom. Now I'm taking this, right? Here's how I'm about to cut it. Picture this is the sausage. I'm gonna cut 1, 2, 3. Then I'm gonna cut 1, 2, 3, probably like 4, 5, I don't know. Here we go. Boom, hit them with this. Boom. You got the 3. Now, the sausage is super duper hot. But the thing is, you want to cut them while they're hot, because once they get hard, bro, good effing luck. Okay. Boom. Alright. Ooh. Just in time, you say? 70 freaking 9. And look at that, just in time, you hear me? Because all you're gonna do is stick this in the oven for 2 to 3 minutes, okay? It's gonna be hot. I'm gonna hit them with the 3 minutes real quick. I feel like we got this done in 15 minutes. If you don't think we got this done in 15 minutes, then I don't wanna hear, I don't really wanna hear what you have to say. Okay, so now that the grits are in here, they look a little sus because they don't have that grits look that grits usually has. I get it. Okay, grab your pepper and your salt. It's only cause it's really, the reason why it's like that is because it's not real cheese, so it's not stringy. The cheese isn't stringy, y'all. That's why my grits look like this, but I don't really care. I think it's beautiful. Quick yang yang yang, yang yang. Then salt, I do like this. I do like this. I just put some in there and just shake it. I don't know how much I put in there, but this in there. Save your plate, by the way, because you're not done just yet. Now, because this is super duper hot, I'm stirring it with my fork. And look, let me give y'all the close up, because this here is gooder than a mug. Like, I'm not kidding. This bit is so good. Look, twist. Twist. Look at my wrist. Y'all know what I be doing on my off time if you're looking at my wrist. Guess what? Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Yeah. Perfect timing. So let's retreat this out of our zone. Boom. Ooh. Okay, now that that's done, I'm gonna just transport it. You just gotta do it, y'all. You just got to do it. Boom. Shooby dooby doo doo doo. Oh. Shooby dooby doo doo. Shooby dooby doo doo doo. Oh, yeah. Y'all need a close-up? Do y'all need a close-up? Look at this bit. It looks like the struggle, but it tastes like forgiveness. So first, it's roll up a clock, then we're gonna taste test. So here we go. Here we go. Take this. Take a piece. I gotta make sure I get some sausage on there. I've never tried this bread before, but it tastes good. It tastes like every single time I make it. It tastes good. Y'all tap in. You don't even have to use the same like stuff I use, but at the least, the same concept, you know? Grits, sausage, bread, butter, juice on the side, knife, spoon, foam, extra cup just in case, napkins, plate, you know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to follow my hair page. It'll be on the screen. Make sure to leave a comment. Tell me about what you eat for breakfast or what you ate for breakfast today, and what else. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe, and follow my social media, which will be on the screen somewhere. I will see you guys on the next video, probably like a Sunday or Wednesday. And that's it. Bye.